We're on the Avrio shaft site, which is the central lot of the Lyon-Turin project. The TELT is a 57-kilometer tunnel linking France and Italy. On one side, there are 3 kilometers of tunnels to be excavated using traditional blasting techniques. On the other, there are 4 shafts over 500 meters deep to be constructed. One of the special features of these 4 shafts is that they are located less than 8 meters apart. This is extremely complicated to achieve. In fact, at a depth of around 350 meters, we came across a zone with poorer geology than the rest of the wells. This has resulted in instabilities and rockfalls that are both frequent and unpredictable. This makes it impossible to safely send personnel to work there. To alleviate this problem, robotic solutions are being used.
Flyability's Elios 3 drones enable indoor inspections and assist professionals in confined, hazardous spaces. It has been precisely designed to withstand collisions and therefore fly under extremely difficult conditions. With its 4K camera and lighting system, the Elios 3 drones enable teams to monitor shafts and tunnels in complete safety. What's more, thanks to their LiDAR, they can model indoor spaces in real time. All the data collected by the drones is then visualized and localized in the digital twin, and Vinci can then create 3D models to track the evolution of cavities or any other structures with precision over time. The Elios 3's modular design means it can be adapted to a wide range of situations, from the digitalization of complex spaces to radiometric measurements in no-go zones.
The first key advantage is the ease of use and control. The second key advantage of this solution is the visualization software, which is particularly straightforward and provides access to both video and point cloud data. So it's exactly what we need for our day-to-day use. The third key advantage is robustness. And indeed, we have a solution, this flyability drone, which is dust resistant and protected from collisions by its frame.
Elios 3 is the solution that sets a new standard for indoor drones, enabling all inspectors to carry out inspections more safely, efficiently and accurately than ever before.